How to reset keyboard dictionary on iPhone running on iOS 26.0. Tap on settings. Make sure that you have the latest version of the iOS, which is iOS 26. Tap on general. Tap on software update. Now make sure that your device is running on the iOS version, and be sure that this particular button automatic update is toggled on. Now that I've done that, go ahead and tap on general again. Scroll down to the base of this page. Tap on transfer and reset iPhone. Then tap on reset. Once tap on reset, now you see this button that says reset keyboard dictionary. Tap on it. Once tap on it, it comes up like this, guys. Provide your iPhone password if you have one. Now go ahead and provide the screen time passcode if you have one as well. Now you have it like this that says this will delete all custom words you have used on the keyboard, returning the keyboard direct dictionary to factory default. So go ahead and tap on reset. Then that's all, guys. You've been able to reset the keyboard dictionary to default on your iPhone. If you enjoyed this tip and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.